If you were swayed by the Super Bowl ad and you registered a domain with Squarespace, and now you need to add someone to that domain, maybe your web designer, maybe someone who's setting up your email, if somebody else needs access to that domain, here's how to do that inside of Squarespace. All right, I'm at squarespace.com. I just logged in. You can see I have an avatar here. You might have your initial, but when you're ready to view your domains, you will just come down and select domains. Now, I wanted to show you when you get into the domains panel, I have a bunch from clients here, so I'm only showing you mine. I have one that I registered with Squarespace called simplesites.studio, and then another called 2daywebsites.com. And you can see that that is a third-party registrar. So it's important to note that if you are adding a domain manager, someone who needs access to your domain name, to a domain inside of Squarespace, it has to be one where you see Squarespace as the provider. If you see third party, you're going to want to go to that third party registrar and add them there. And those instructions vary wildly. So you might be using GoDaddy, Namecheap, Porkbun, whatever you're using, that's where you'll go and follow the instructions on that platform to add a domain manager. But let's hop into Simple Site Studio because that is registered here at Squarespace. So I'm going to click on that. And you can see here that I've got my domain name. The provider is Squarespace. And you can see a few things about this domain name. I've got auto renew on. I've got private registration turned on. And I have domain lock turned on. Now, if you wanted to transfer this to another registrar, you turn this off. But I would always leave on private registration. Okay, let's hop over to permissions. This is where you're going to invite that domain manager. And you can see I'm listed as the owner. There's a link here to learn more about domain permissions, but we're just going to invite a new manager here. So I'm going to do that. I have an authorization app that's going to generate a code for me. So I'm going to pop that in. If you are using two-factor authentication or something else, you're going to be asked to add a code here as well to make sure it's you. Once you verify that, you're going to drop in the name and email of the domain manager. When you've done that, you'll click invite, and you can see that this invite has been sent. And they're going to get an email from Squarespace inviting them to manage this domain. Okay, this is the email that they will get from Squarespace, domain manager invitation from you. And they'll see a button that they can click to accept that invitation. Once they accept this invitation, they're going to be able to see a dashboard very similar to this one. They're going to be able to change your DNS for you. And if you wanted to transfer domain ownership, this would be the first step to doing that. And that is how you add a new domain manager to your domain in Squarespace. I hope this was helpful, and I wish you all the best with your website.